you need others to also pick up the scoring and not just for your team. Jordan Edwards might be one of those guys.
Yes, Jordan, I believe more aggressive offensively. Very steady, three-point shooter, he's gonna tackle the basket, steady thinker, great pickup on the break, kasi just like wala sa ngayon, they make the break nila kaya but the break niya, pick up game 1, 19 points, 25 points.
Pasensya na po. Ito na lang pala yung natira eh. Pero makakatulong pa rin naman siya para makabawa sa decision.
Maraming salamat na yung tulong ko.
Magaling po kayo. Salamat doon. Sige po.
Wala nang kape ha.
Ay, totoo.
Oh, Cortesa. Sunod po kayo.
Salamat.
Stella.